In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $1,100 up to $2,000 every single day just by listening to music. Imagine that. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can get paid $12 per song that you listen to. And I'm also going to show you an app that you can use on top of this method to earn even more money. That's why I mentioned $1,000 to $2,000 every single day listening to music. So the website will pay you $12 per song that you listen to and review. So let's say you take 5 minutes to review one of the songs. In 1 hour, you're going to be able to review about 12 songs. So 12 times 12, that's about $144 an hour. And if you do this method for about 8 hours a day, that's $1,152. And this isn't counting the app that I'm going to show you right now. And at the end of this video, I'm going to point you to a different video that I have that you can use in conjunction with this video to make it work even better. So from now on, follow what I do, click where I click, and by the end of this video, you're going to be ready to make some serious cash. So for the first step for this video, you need to download an app called Current. And everything you need is going to be in the text file, in the pinned comment, and also in the description of this video. So if you're looking for a link, if you're looking for anything, just check over there. So if you're using an iOS device, go to your App Store. And if you're using an Android device, go to your Play Store. So since I have an iOS device, I'm using my App Store. I'm just going to search for Current. Okay, so when you open it, it's going to be this purple app right here. Just click on it and click download. After you click download, all you have to do is open the app. And once you open the app, what you're going to see is this screen right here. It's going to ask you to get started. Click get started to register for an account. It's for free. Oh, by the way, all the methods here in this video are free. They work all over the globe and you could definitely cash out the money in various ways. So don't worry. After you click on get started, either you can register using your phone number or you can register using your email or your social media. So in my case, I registered using my email address. You can do the same if you want to. So I'm going to make a brand new account and then I'm going to show you my old account, because when you register for this app, there are a few steps that you have to take before you can start earning listening to music. So for that reason, I'm going to register a new account and show you step by step how to do it. And then I'm going to show you how you can earn listening to music. So all you have to do in this screen is just put your email and a password in. Now it's going to ask you to confirm your email. All you have to do is go into your inbox. Make sure to check the spam inbox if you haven't received anything and click on the link to confirm your email. Okay, so I've logged into the app. Just for confirming our email, we've earned 100 points, as you can see on the screen right now. Now, we don't have any money yet. So when you first log into this app, it's going to ask you to tell them what kind of music you like to listen to. So just choose what type of music you like to listen to, because to earn money on this app, you're going to have to listen to the music. So you might as well just listen to something that you like. Okay, so I've gone ahead and selected 5 styles of music here. I'm going to click start listening. Now it's creating the stations just for me. Now you should be able to see your app just like you're seeing on my screen right now. As you can see, I have 0 points down here on the bottom. If you click on the 0 points on the bottom, you're going to see the rewards that you can get when you start gathering points. So if you want to get a PayPal gift card, a $6 PayPal gift card is about 13,500 points. And if you want to get a $10 gift card, it's about 20,000 points. All of these other rewards here, they seem fake to me, so I would not recommend you guys getting those rewards. Just get the money, get the gift cards from Amazon or iTunes or either PayPal, that you're good to go. Okay, make sure you cash out in cash. So for you to start earning, you're not going to be able to start earning right away. What you have to do is you need to invite 3 friends to the app. As you can see, we earned another 50 points for listening to the music. If you want to choose what music you want to listen to, all you have to do is click on music down here in the bottom. And after you've chose the music, all you have to do is choose an album, choose a song that you like to, and start listening. Every single minute that you listen to the songs, they're going to give you points. And after a certain point, you can redeem those points for PayPal money or either Amazon gift cards. So let me choose a song here just to show you how it works. So I click play on the music. It's going to start playing right now. Okay, it's playing here on my phone. Now that's all you have to do. You can't mute the phone. If you turn the volume all the way down, this is what's going to happen. Earning disabled. Volume cannot be 0. Unable to record while volume is 0. You need to be able to have volume on your phone or else you're not going to be earning money. Okay, so you need to turn the volume up and you will instantly be earning cash. When you're listening to music, every single money, they're going to be giving you points. That's the first way that you can do this method. As you can see, it's pretty easy. Now, if you like the sound of making money online, I highly suggest that you subscribe to this channel, because that's all I teach here in this channel. I post free videos every single week teaching you different methods that you can use to make money online. And if you're not subscribed yet, you're missing out on the future videos. What are you doing? Go ahead and subscribe right now. Now that you've subscribed, let's continue. And speaking about earning with music, if you're trying to start making money with videos and you're still using that free music that you can find online, that is definitely one of the reasons why you're not having success. If you want to stand out from the crowd, good background music is essential. The background music of your videos is going to tell your audience how to feel when they watch your videos. Now, the website that I use to get high quality, no copyright music for my videos is Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound has an endless catalog of high quality music. They have over 30,000 professionally produced songs in a variety of genres. And they also have over 90,000 different sound effects that you can use on your videos. And the coolest thing about Epidemic Sound, in my opinion, the feature that I use the most, is that they have YouTube channels for each genre of music. You can use those YouTube channels to easily find the music that you're looking for. And after you find the music, all you have to do is go to their website, epidemicsound.com, type in the name of the music that you're looking for, and just like that, you can download it in high quality, ready to use with no copyright issues whatsoever. And the best part about this, I was able to get a sweet deal with Epidemic Sound for my subscribers. If you sign up using the unique link that they gave me, that's located at the top of the description of this video, you can get a 30-day absolutely free trial to download as many high quality songs and sound effects for your videos as you like. Go ahead right now and use the link in the top of the description to get your 30-day free trial today. Now, for the second method, what you're going to do is go to a website called playlistpush.com. And the way playlistpush.com works is we help independent artists get their music on playlists and give playlist curators a way to discover new music. So what this means is that they help new artists get noticed. So what you have to do once you hit the homepage of the website is you have to scroll down, and what you're looking for is for curators. That's because you're going to become a curator for this website. Discover some of the best up-and-coming indie artists and help them launch their career. Get paid to listen and review songs. Just like I told you in the start of this video, you're gonna get rewarded by listening to music and reviewing the songs. So what you have to do here is click become a curator, and you're gonna be redirected to this page right here. All you have to do is scroll down a little bit, discover new music for your playlists, get paid to review songs. So get paid $12 per song that you review. Like I mentioned before, they have instant payouts. Request a payout at any time. We pay directly to your bank account, so you don't have to worry. Wherever you live, this will work for you. And there is one requirement that you have to fill to join this website, but don't worry, because you only have to do this once, and then there is no limit to how many songs you can listen to. You can do this for the rest of your life potentially. So we pay you to listen and review songs. If you like it, you can consider adding it to one of your playlists. To qualify as a curator, you need to own a playlist with real followers on either Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music. So the one thing that I learned about this website is they only accept people that have 1K followers on their playlist or more, and I'm going to show you how you can get those right now. So there are actually two ways that you can get these 1K followers to your playlists. And the first way, you're going to use two videos that I've already launched here on the channel, which I'm going to leave the link for those videos at the end of this one. So all you have to do is click the thumbnail at the end of this video, and you're going to be redirected to those videos to see how you can generate those 1K followers. And the second method that you can use is either using the paid or free method from this website that we're going to see right now. So this method requires you to go to soundplate.com, which is this website that you're seeing in front of you right now. When you hit the homepage of the website, what you have to do is click menu on the top left corner. Just follow my cursor. It's pretty easy. Don't get confused, okay? You want to click add playlists to SoundPlate on this plus button right here. After you click that button, it's going to open this page right here for you. You're going to scroll down, and like I said, you can either do this for free or you can either do this with a paid method that is faster. So are you ready to start growing your playlist and checking out new music submissions? Due to exceptionally high demand, we are currently charging a $50 setup fee for adding playlists to SoundPlate. If you decide to pay this $15 and add your playlist to SoundPlate, you're going to get 1K followers in no time. But if you decide to do the free method, all you have to do is join their waiting list, and whenever they have a space available, they will notify you, okay? So if you decide to go for the pay method, all you have to do is put your playlist title here, use your Spotify playlist link right here, upload the cover of your playlist here, description, your name, and email, and then you have to submit playlist, okay? That's all you have to do here on this website. Now, if you're wondering how you create a playlist on Spotify, it is very easy. You don't have to pay to use Spotify. Spotify is a free app and website at the same time. So if you don't have a phone to do this, you can easily do this in your laptop. And if you don't have a laptop, you can do this in your phone. Whatever you have, you can just use that. So when you register for a free account at Spotify using your email, password, and a username, all you have to do is come to the homepage, and you're going to see this button right here on the left, create a playlist. Click on that. When you hit this page, it's going to ask you to choose a name for your playlist, a photo. You can just add any photo you want. That's not a problem, okay? And to choose those options, all you have to do is click on here where it says My Playlist 17. Click on that. Choose a name for your playlist, anything that you want. Add a description to your playlist. These are the same details that you're going to use on SoundPlate, and add a picture to it. After you've done that, and you click save. All you have to do is click these three little dots right here, and then you want to go down and click on share, and then you want to copy the link to the playlist, and then you can fill out the soundplate.com website. As you can see, this is so easy. But before you fill out the soundplate.com website, I'd highly recommend that you choose about 100 songs or 50 songs, just so you can have some music on your playlist. If you guys don't know, I have my own playlist right here. The name is Mr. Reese. This is what a filled up playlist looks like. These are music that I personally like to listen to, so I just added a few songs here, and then after you've done that, you can go back to Soundplate. You can fill out all this information here just like you filled out on Spotify.com. Now, let's say you've done that. You either use soundplate.com or you're going to use the free method that I'm going to show you at the end of this video to generate your first 1K followers in your playlist. What you have to do now is you have to go back to playlistpush.com, and on this page here, you have to click become a curator. Now it's going to ask you for your name, your email address, where you live, your mobile phone number, and your biggest playlist on Spotify. If you try to add a playlist here that doesn't have at least 1,000 followers, they're going to reject you straight away. And if you click where do you live, you're going to see that they accept all countries. They are not made for specific countries. Anyone can do this from anywhere in the world. All right, so when you come here, all you have to do is select the country of residence. Then you have to add your details here and the link to your Spotify playlist right here. After you do that, you click continue. They're going to check your playlist, and after they see that you have 1K followers, then they will accept your account and you can start listening to music and reviewing them for $12 each. Remember, you only have to do this once. After you set this up, after you have your playlist with 1K followers and you're registered to playlistpush.com, you can do this every single day. This is not just a hustle. This can become your full-time income. So I know this can get pretty confusing, so let's recapitulate what we've seen here in this video right now. Number one, we had a look at the app Current, which you can use to listen to music and get paid for it on the go. When you use this app, you don't have to review the songs. You get paid just to listen to the music, but it's going to pay you slightly less than the other one, which pays $12 per song that you listen to. And you don't have to choose between one or another. You can easily use both of them. So number two, after you've downloaded this app, register for an account, start listening and earning. Number three, now we go into the second method. Use playlistpush.com to get paid to listen and review music. To do that, all you have to do is go to Spotify, create a new account, create a new playlist, add some music to it. And after you've done that, you can either use Soundplate to promote your playlist, or you can use the free method that you're going to see in the end of this video. Next step, after you have 1K followers, go back to playlistpush.com and click become a curator and register for an account. And after they accept you, you're going to be successfully ready to start making money listening to music. Don't forget to check out the link in the top of the description and get a free 30-day trial for Epidemic Sound. Free stuff is always good. And if you go back to the Current app and you check the Friends tab, invite friends, you get 500 points for each friend that you refer, and you get 5% of what they earn for life. So if you want to make more money inviting your friends and make a lifetime passive income, and also learn how to generate traffic to get your first 1K, work hard, play harder.